Welcome back to MPV Auto, your ultimate destination for detailed reviews of multi-purpose vehicles. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Suzuki Coaster High Roof, a vehicle designed to meet both commercial and family transport needs. With its spacious interior, modern features, and reliable performance, the Suzuki Coaster High Roof sets a new benchmark for high-capacity vans. Starting with the front side, the 2026 Suzuki Coaster High Roof boasts a modern and aerodynamic design. The large, trapezoidal grille takes center stage, with chrome accents adding a premium touch. Flanking the grille are sleek, projector-style headlights equipped with LED daytime running lights, ensuring excellent visibility. The lower bumper features integrated fog lamps and air intakes that enhance cooling efficiency. The front windshield is wide and slightly curved, offering excellent visibility for the driver, while the windshield wipers are designed for optimal performance during heavy rain. The overall front fascia strikes a perfect balance between functionality and style. Moving to the backside, the Suzuki Coaster High Roof keeps things practical yet stylish. The rear design is dominated by vertically stacked LED tail lamps, which not only look modern but also improve visibility for other drivers. The rear windshield includes a built-in defogger and a high-mounted brake light for added safety. The tailgate opens upwards, providing convenient access to the spacious cargo area. The bumper is sturdy and features reflective strips for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. Additionally, the rear design includes parking sensors and a rear-view camera to make reversing and parking easier and safer. Now, let's step inside to explore the front interior of the 2026 Suzuki Coaster High Roof. The cabin is thoughtfully designed with a focus on comfort and practicality. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed, offering excellent lumbar support and adjustability for long drives. The dashboard is simple yet modern, featuring a digital analog instrument cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring seamless integration with your devices. The multifunction steering wheel includes is powered by a reliable and fuel-efficient 2.8-liter diesel engine. This engine delivers a robust 150 horsepower and 360 newton-meters of torque, ensuring smooth acceleration and excellent performance even when the vehicle is fully loaded. The engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that provides seamless gear shifts and enhances fuel efficiency. The suspension system is designed to absorb road imperfections, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride for all passengers. Additionally, the coaster comes with advanced safety features such as ABS, electronic stability control, and multiple airbags, making it a safe choice for any journey. Now, let's talk about the pricing. The 2026 Suzuki Coaster High Roof is competitively priced, starting at $42,000 for the base model. Higher trims with additional features such as leather upholstery and advanced driver assistance systems are priced around $48,000. Considering its spacious interior, advanced features, and reliability, the coaster offers excellent value for money in the high-capacity van segment. In conclusion, the 2026 Suzuki Coaster High Roof is a versatile and practical vehicle that excels in both functionality and comfort. Its modern design, spacious interior, and reliable performance make it an ideal choice for businesses, families, and transport operators. Whether you're looking for a vehicle to carry passengers or cargo, the Suzuki Coaster High Roof has you covered. Let us know in the comments what you think about this new model and if you'd consider it for your needs. That's all for today's review on MPV Auto. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.